Good afternoon, everyone. We're back, and we're back on a very exciting holiday this time. It's our first kind of big trip since Tassie, which was nearly a year ago.
A year, pretty much.
Feb last year.
Yeah.
So it's, currently, what date is it? 11th of Jan?
Don't know what date.
Been on holidays for a little bit already, so we don't even know what day it is, but we're heading up to Kosciuszko, which is pretty exciting. We haven't been up here before. So we're going to spend 2 weeks. We've got a few days at the start, which is now, and then we're going to do a probably 5-day hike. Planning on 5 days, unless there's going to be, could be some thunderstorms coming, so we might have to change plans a little bit, but we'll see what happens.
Make it up as we go, pretty much.
Yeah, which is good because we're flexible, so see what happens. And then a week after that, driving around up north, go see the caves and thermal springs, and
it's going to be awesome. Try and fit as much as we can in 2 weeks again.
Yeah, very excited. But we love the Alpine, and we're so excited to be back. Like the view and just the air, it's so nice and cold, everything's so fresh, like everything's so green. We love it.
Gets exciting.
Yeah. So we've just pulled over at a little lookout. We'll show you now. It's pretty epic because we can see, it's got a map and then all the mountains that we're actually going to be hiking to, a lot of them, and we can see them, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, not too much on for today. Matt's ended up with a migraine, unfortunately, but that's all right. So a bit of a chill day. We're going to head up to our campground, which is going to be at Tom Groggin. We have booked, it's normally a free camp, but with all this COVID stuff, New South Wales Parks now charge a $6 booking fee online, I think just to control numbers and whatever. But we've heard it's supposed to be pretty beautiful up there, so we are excited, and we're just going to go set the tent up, have a nice afternoon. I mean, by the time we get there, it's probably going to be 3:30 or 4 anyway.
Yeah.
Cook some dinner.
Be normal people for a change.
Yeah, not be crazy. But tomorrow we'll see. Yeah. So this is the lookout, and this is the sign I was just talking about. So we've got Watson's Crag, the Sentinel. I don't think we actually hiked to that one, I'm not sure. But anyway, Caratha's Peak, which we hiked to, Mount Townsend, Abbott's Peak, and Mount Kosciuszko. We hiked to all of them. So that's pretty cool to see that. And then that's obviously the mountains in the background. A lot of them are hidden by cloud right now, but at least we've got some sort of a view. This is hut number 2, KEEBLE'S hut. We thought we were going to come out at a different hut, but here we are. So this one will do. We'll go inside and have a look. It's another beautiful spot. Campground as well. You do have to book it, but absolutely beautiful. Look at that view. Just got to our campground at Tom Groggin. It's a beautiful drive to get here, a bit windy but absolutely stunning, and all those huts that we stopped at were really nice as well. We couldn't find the third one. Well, we thought it was down this dirt track and we're like, oh, 2's fine, we'll continue on to our campground for now. So we just got here. There's a few people here, not super busy, but you do have to book, as I said, now with COVID, but you don't actually book like a campsite number or anything. It's just like a nice open flat and you just kind of choose your own spot. So we found a beautiful little spot. There's heaps of kangaroos around, there's flies everywhere. But the kangaroos are pretty cute. So we're gonna set up the tent now. Better help Matt, he's up getting it down. So for this trip we bring the Oztent, just for something different. So we're gonna have more room actually inside the tent. And we bring the mattress out of the swag because it's nice and comfy. And this is our spot, and I'll show you our view now. So now we're going to set up the Oztent. It's supposed to be amazing and expensive because it takes 30 seconds to set up. So we'll see how we go. This is the tent we've got. It's nice and big. Oh, there's our mattress. So yeah, we can easily fit like a double or Jesus, and like all our bags and stuff. So we thought for this trip, because we're going to be camping, what, 9 nights?
9, yeah.
Oh, I don't know. No, I think it's more than 9. How many nights are we away? I don't know. Anyway, there's only 2 nights for this whole trip that we're actually not camping. So we thought this would be a bit more comfortable. It is a bit kind of broken. There's like a bent pole. It's up in there. But it is very easy to set up because you don't actually take the poles out. You literally just kind of lift it up. So yeah, should be good. So this is our camp all set up. We've got our camp chairs. Got the ute awning up. Got this little kitchen bench table thing, which is actually from Kmart. Nice cheap one. Got the Weber to cook dinner. It's going to be so delicious. That's going to be our dining table. And the Oztent is all set up. Lovely and spacious. So we're just going to go for a walk now down to the river and show you guys that. And yeah, show you the rest of the campgrounds. The cooking going.
Master chef.
Look at that. Delicious. And he's already done the potato.
Ignore the charcoal on everything.
That's good, we like them crispy. Nice and crispy. Yum. I'm so excited. Corn, excuse the flies. Corn, beef kebabs, and potato chips, freshly cut. It's so peaceful here, like it's literally so quiet. And the kangaroos are so nice, just...
Such a big area away from everyone. So.
Yeah, and you can like easily get your own spot away from everyone else, which is nice, which is what we like.
Yeah, that's it.
So we're just gonna pretty much get ready for bed and have an early one.
Get rid of these headaches.
Yeah.
Start tomorrow fresh.
Start fresh tomorrow, yeah, exactly.
For a big day.
So we'll end this vlog here, unless we get an epic sunset, which I'll insert some footage just in case, but if not, we'll end the vlog here. But stay tuned because yeah, there's going to be a lot more vlogs coming.
That's it.
Because we've got 2 weeks in Kosciuszko and planning to pretty much do a vlog a day, apart from the hike maybe, which I might combine into one, but yeah, it's going to be good.
Hike.
Yeah. And 5 days worth, so it might have to be broken up, but we'll see.
See what happens.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.